Good morning, students. We solved examples from the exercise 2.3 in part 6. Welcome to the part 7. Today we study division of fractions. Division of fractions. Please be ready with the previous class notes. First, let us study what is reciprocal of a fraction. This helps a lot in division of fraction. If we interchange the numerator and denominator of 2 by 7, interchange means 7 becomes numerator and 2 is denominator. This is the meaning of interchange. We get 7 divided by 2. Here 7 divided by 2 is called reciprocal of 2 divided by 7. Please note this. Similarly, I'll give few more examples of reciprocal number. Reciprocal of 1 divided by 2 is 2 divided by 1. Reciprocal of 3 by 11 is 11 divided by 3. Reciprocal of 5 is 1 divided by 5 because 5 can be written as 5 divided by 1. Its reciprocal is 1 divided by 5. Hope this is clear to you. What is reciprocal of 2 divided by 9? It is 9 divided by 2. Remember, reciprocal of A by B is B divided by A, and reciprocal of B divided by A is A divided by B, where A and B are non-zero numbers. Please note this one. I'll give few examples, try to answer. 7 into 1 upon 7 is 1 because 7 into 1 is 7 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7 ones. This is 1 answer. Similarly, 1 by 9 into 9 is also 1. Here 2 by 3 into 3 by 2. Multiply 2 into 3 divided by 3 into 2. It is 6 divided by 6, and this get cancelled, giving rise to 1. 5 by 4 into 4 by 5. Try to answer. This is 20 divided by 20. 2 by 7 into some number is 1. So nothing but here we have to write its reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 2 divided by 7? It is 7 divided by 2. 2 into 7 is 14 divided by 14. And these two get cancelled, giving rise to 1. Try to answer this. These are very simple questions, examples on reciprocal of a fraction. Note that the reciprocal of a proper fraction is always improper fraction. Mark this. I'll give example. Reciprocal of proper fraction 9 upon 25. 9 upon 25 is proper fraction. Its reciprocal is 25 by 9. This is no doubt improper fraction. Second note, the reciprocal of an improper fraction is proper fraction. Mark this. And example you see. The reciprocal of improper fraction 35 divided by 11 is 11 divided by 35. This is proper fraction. Dear students, please copy all the notes by pausing the video if you need. I'll continue to the next page. Division of fractions. Let us study this. Consider few examples. John has paper strip of length 6 cm. He cuts this strip in smaller strips of length 2 cm each. You know that he would get 6 divided by 2. That means 3 strips he will get. John cuts another strip of length 6 cm into smaller strips of length 3 by 2 cm each. Here also he has to divide 6 and this 3 by 2. He will get 6 divided by 3 by 2 strips. One more example. A paper strip of length 15 by 2 cm can be cut into smaller strips of length 3 by 2 cm each to give 15 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 pieces. Therefore, we would like to say we are required to divide a whole number by a fraction or fraction by another fraction. I tell you, this will be more clear if we do examples on this statement. I'll give few examples. You see, division of whole number by a fraction. Let us find 3 divided by 1 divided by 4. Here you observe 3 circles are there. Each circle is divided into 4 parts. This is 1/4 of a part. Similarly, 1/4 of second part, 1/4 of third part, 1/4 of fourth part. The question is, how many half parts do you see here? Totally there are 12 parts are there. Therefore, the meaning of 3 divided by 1 by 4 is number of 1 by 4 parts obtained when each of 3 circles are divided into 1 by 4 equal parts. No doubt we get 12 parts. Therefore, we say 3 divided by 1 by 4 is 12. How to get that 12? Here you please observe, this division is written as multiplication and 1 by 4 number reciprocal is written here 4 divided by 1. These two you please observe, and we know that 3 into 4 is 12. No doubt. This is very important fact. Converting division into multiplication. I'll give more examples now. To divide a whole number by any fraction, please note that multiply that whole number by the reciprocal of that fraction. Please observe this. Examples: 7 divided by 2 by 5. Now, this is 7 as it is, equal to 7 as it is, divided by is written as multiplication, 2 by 5 is written as its reciprocal, 5 divided by 2. Please observe this one. I'll write neatly now. 7 into 5 by 2, its reciprocal is written. Then you multiply as usual. 7 5s are 35 divided by 2, answer. Similarly, 6 divided by 4 by 7, 6 into, please observe this, multiplication, 4 by 7, reciprocal is 7 by 4. Please observe this, multiplication and reciprocal number. Multiply, 6 7s are 42 divided by 4 as it is, 2 2s are 2 21s are 21 divided by 2. 2 divided by 8 upon 9, 2 into, I repeat, multiplication into 8 upon 9, reciprocal is 9 upon 8. Then multiplication 18 upon 8 and cancellation 9 upon 4. I'll give few more examples. 13 divided by 9 upon 5. Please try to answer this. 13 into, division is taken as multiplication, 9 upon 5 reciprocal is 5 upon 9. Multiply, 13 5s are 65 divided by 9. One more example, 10 divided by 21 divided by 11. This is written as multiplication, then its reciprocal is to be taken. Let us see. 10 into 11 upon 21, this is 110 upon 21. Hope this is clear to you. Division is converted into multiplication, then we have to take its reciprocal. These two you remember. Note that while dividing a whole number by a mixed fraction, convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, then we multiply, then we calculate. Let us see. 4 divided by 2 integer 2 by 5. Here this is 4 divided by 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 it is 12, 12 divided by 5. I'll write neatly. 4 divided by 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 12 divided by 5. Next, this is written as multiplication. 12 by 5 is written as 5 divided by 12. Please note this. 4 into 5 by 12 is 20 by 12. Cancellation 5 by 3. Similarly, I'll give few more examples. Try to answer yourself. 5 divided by 3 integer 1 by 3 is 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. This is 3 into, and 10 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 10. Answer is 9 upon 10. One more example. 6 divided by 5 integer 1 by 3. 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16 by 3. Then this is written as multiplication and reciprocal. Multiplication, this is 3 by 16, 18 upon 16. Cancellation is 9 upon 8. One more example. 7 divided by 2 integer 4 by 7. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 4, 18 divided by 7. And this multiplication sign we have to write. I'll write neatly now. 7 divided by, first I will convert this one, then I will write multiplication by taking its reciprocal. 7 divided by 18, multiply 49 divided by 18. Please copy all the examples, all the steps by pausing the video. Note that while dividing a mixed fraction by whole numbers, convert the mixed fraction into improper fractions. What's the meaning of this one? Let us see. 2 integer 2 by 3 divided by 5 equal to 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 8 divided by 3. 8 divided by 3, here 5 reciprocal is 1 divided by 5, and this is written as multiplication sign. Then multiply, 8 1s are 8, 3 5s are 15. Answer 8 upon 15. 4 integer 2 by 5 divided by 3. 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22 by 3. And here 3 multiplication sign must be there. Please do this correction. Multiplication. 22 1s are 22, 5 3s are 15, 22 divided by 15. 9 divided by 3 integer 4 by 5. 5 3s are 15 plus 4, 19 divided by 5. 19 divided by 5 reciprocal is 5 divided by 19, 9 into, then this is 45 divided by 19. I'll continue to the next with few more examples. 2 integer 3 by 7 divided by 2. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 3, 17 divided by 7. divided by 2 is written as it is. 17 by 7, this is written as multiplication, and 2 reciprocal is 1 by 2. Then you multiply. 17 ones are 17, 7 twos are 14. 17 divided by 14, answer. Division of fraction by another fraction. We now find 1 by 3 divided by 6 divided by 5. 1 by 3 divided by 6 divided by 5 equal to 1 by 3. This is multiplication, and please note that we write reciprocal of 6 by 5 is equal to 1 by 3 into 5 by 6. Then multiply. 5 ones are 5, 6 threes are 18. Therefore, in short, we write 1 by 3 divided by 6 by 5 as, by taking multiplication sign and writing its reciprocal number. Please note this. Then multiply as usual. 5 divided by 18. Similarly, 8 by 5 divided by 2 by 3 is, here we have to write multiplication, and 2 by 3 becomes 3 by 2. I repeat, 8 by 5 into 3 by 2. Then multiply. 8 3s are 24 divided by 10. 2 5s are 10. 2 12s are 24. Answer is 12 divided by 5. Second question. 2 integer 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 2 divided by 3 by 5. This is 5 by 2 into 3 by 5 reciprocal is 5 by 3. Then multiply. 5 5s are 25. 2 3s are 6. 25 divided by 6. One more example. 5 integer 1 by 6 divided by 9 by 2. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 1, 31 divided by 6. 9 by 2 as it is. 31 by 6. Division is taken as multiplication now, and its reciprocal number you write. 9 by 2 reciprocal is 2 divided by 9. Now multiply. This is 62 divided by 6 9s are 54. You can do the cancellation. It is found to be 31 divided by 27. One more example. Hope you can answer this one. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 2 7. 7 divided by 5. And this division is written as multiplication. Reciprocal of 11 by 13 is 13 divided by 11. Now multiply. 7 13s are 91. 5 into 11 is 55. Similarly, I want you to write the answer in detail. I have given the answer here. Hope you can answer this one. Dear students, I want you to try these examples. Please copy the question. Try to answer yourself. Answer is given for the verification. Next class, we solve the examples from the exercise 2.4. Thank you. This is the end of part 7.